In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can make the minimap larger here in Battlefield 6 so you can see more of what's happening around you. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can upload further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But go ahead and actually hit the pause button on your controller and navigate over to the settings tab. And you can do this from the main menu as well. But essentially scroll down on the left hand sidebar until you see this system tab right here. Once you are in your system, go ahead and move over to this right hand side and scroll down towards the bottom and you're going to see an option for minimap right here. Go ahead and select edit on that. And what you're going to want to go ahead and do is find this option for the minimap size. By default, it is usually set to small, but if you bump it up to large or extra large, you'll get a lot better visibility. This can make a huge difference, especially when you're in vehicles like tanks or aircraft, when situational awareness is obviously pretty key. While you're in here, you can adjust your view distance settings as well. I recommend just maxing these all the way out, setting them to 300 meters each. And that's going to be that on foot view distance, the ground vehicle view distance, as well as the air vehicle view distance. Once you've made these changes, just press apply and save them. Or if you don't have that option, just back out and it's going to automatically save for you. And boom, you'll be good to go. Your minimap's not going to be a lot larger, making it a lot easier to spot objectives, enemies, and teammates during intense matches. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.